Good afternoon, everyone. Clears are still out clearing roads. Be careful. We just saw on that camera there another car in the ditch sliding off on these slick roads. That's going to continue to be an issue. So first alert weather days continue still this afternoon, tonight, tomorrow. And we have additional first alert weather days Tuesday, Wednesday through Thursday of next week. This time, thankfully, not for a winter storm, but for Arctic cold temperatures. Here's the latest forecast for tonight. So we're continuing to see some bands of snow, heavy at times, but the heaviest of the snow that's moved through so far today, adding up to around 7 inches of additional accumulation here at our station in South Fargo today. That heaviest band of snow is continuing to shift from the east to the west. So now into portions of eastern North Dakota and pushing into central North Dakota. We will continue to see a couple of bands, a little less intense through the southern valley and parts of northwestern Minnesota through this afternoon and into this evening. Blizzard conditions will persist for portions of eastern North Dakota and points off to the west as that heavy snow continues, along with the strongest of the winds. There have been gusts over 40, near 50 miles per hour, so that will be a continued hazard through the rest of tonight. Meanwhile, we'll continue to see gradually clearing conditions in terms of snowfall through the Central Valley and northwestern Minnesota. A little less wind, but still quite gusty, still snowing and blowing again tomorrow as well. So tomorrow, another first alert weather day, as we're expecting the wind that slightly dies down overnight to ramp right back up tomorrow. So we won't have as much snow falling through the day tomorrow, but periodic little areas of snowfall adding up to another inch to 3 inches or so. But a lot of wind blowing and drifting and lofting what we have, and continued low visibility and dangerous travel conditions. Also through the day tomorrow, the warmest part of the day is going to be in the morning. Temperatures then gradually fall through the day, not rapidly falling, but into the teens, a few single digits by bedtime. Here's what we can expect for additional snowfall between right now and through the day tomorrow. So most of this will come tonight. A little bit more tacked on for tomorrow with those lighter bands that come through, but much of northeastern North Dakota, additional 1 to 3 inches or so, slightly lesser amounts where you see these lighter blue shades. An additional 2 to 7 possible, falling most of which right now in southeastern North Dakota, and out west still pockets of an additional 6 to 12 inches of snowfall on top of those blizzard conditions with those strong winds. Here's what it looks like right now on satellite and radar. Persistent snow still in parts of southeastern North Dakota, drying up a little bit in the far southern valley for now, but here comes another little band of thankfully lighter snow. The heavier snow, we have a little band right here through Steele County and into Trail County. That's going to gradually shift off to the west, and another heavier band just outside of our viewing area west of Devil's Lake and Benson and Ramsey counties. Visibility has still been an issue though, because this snow is lighter and fluffier on top of the heavier, wetter snow. It's still blowing around. Visibility here in Fargo is at 3 miles, 2.5 mile visibility in Fergus Falls, only a mile in Grand Forks, much less out west. It's around a 1/4 mile visibility in Devil's Lake, Jamestown, 0 visibility being reported in Oaks. So where you see that kind of soupy green, that's where visibility is less than a 1/4 mile. Temperatures this afternoon were all below freezing, so as opposed to the last couple of days where we've seen that wintry mix, it's all snow today with temperatures below 32. For tomorrow, again, the warmest temperatures in the morning, steadily falling through the day with on and off snow showers. It's not going to snow all day, but it will blow all day with those winds out of the north and west. And then, Bobby, we're going to turn very cold. First alert weather days Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Some of the coldest air we've seen this season. That's not factoring in wind chill either.
Yeah, a lot just to pay attention to, lots of red. It is kind of nice this summer just knowing that Mother Nature has given us a timeout on the snow for now.
Yeah, for now.
So, but yeah, so it's a nice little tiny break.
Yeah.
Summer, thank you so much.